Welcome to the top best. The best color gels is probably one of the most versatile and transformative tools in a photographer's arsenal, allowing you to paint with light and evoke specific moods or emotions in your images. Whether you're aiming for a dramatic, vibrant aesthetic or a subtle, nuanced atmosphere, these translucent sheets of colored plastic can completely alter the perception of your subject and background, opening up a world of creative possibilities for portraiture, product shots, and artistic endeavors alike. Understanding their application and choosing the right ones can elevate your photography from ordinary to extraordinary. Number 5. Sakolla 16-pack Color Correction Gel Light Filters. Our color gel filters are crafted from a high light transmission material. They are lightweight and maintain a steady color temperature with minimal loss. Please remember not to attach them to a modeling lamp to avoid melting. These durable PVC plastic sheets come in 8 vibrant colors, including yellow, green, blue, purple, orange, pink, rose red, and red. Each color is provided in a pack of 2, ensuring you have plenty to meet your diverse creative needs. Each filter is protected by a film on both sides, preventing scratches during handling. Simply remove the protective coverings before use for a clear and pristine experience. Utilize these filters for lighting effects and color correction in photography and videography. They are perfect for achieving various visual outcomes by manipulating light wavelengths, ideal for studio strobes, flashes, and LED lights. These light filters are suitable for a wide range of applications, including film, video, photography, stage, theater, parties, and DJ lighting. They can even assist children with reading by improving clarity and eye movement control. What we like? This set offers large 8.5 x 11-inch sheets, giving you plenty of coverage for your lighting needs. With 8 distinct colors, you have a great palette to achieve various effects. If you're looking for versatile and easy-to-handle gels for general photography or stage lighting, this is a solid choice. What people say. The gels are a good size and fit perfectly on my speed lights. The colors are vibrant and accurate, making my photos pop. They are durable and don't tear easily, even with frequent use. Number 4. 14-pack Color Correction Light Gel Filter Sheets. Enhance your lighting with our 14-pack of color correction gel filters. You'll receive 2 sheets of each of the 7 vibrant colors, perfect for any creative project. Explore a spectrum of possibilities with red, yellow, orange, green, purple, pink, and blue filters. These are designed to help you achieve precise lighting effects and color correction. Ideal for film, photography, stage, and even party lighting, these filters offer versatility. They are made from high-quality materials for steady color temperature and minimal light loss. Each sheet measures a generous 11.7 by 8.3 inches and comes with a protective film to prevent scratches. Simply peel it off before use to reveal a pristine surface. Experiment with different combinations to create unique and dynamic lighting effects. Please remember not to attach them to a modeling lamp to avoid melting. Crafted from materials with high light transmission, these filters ensure your lighting remains vibrant and true. They are lightweight and designed for professional results. What we like? You get 14 sheets in this pack, with 7 different colors, providing good value and variety. The standard A4 size is convenient for many setups. If you need colored gels for events like Halloween or outdoor landscape lighting, this pack offers a good range of options. What people say. The gels are vibrant and true to color, making them perfect for creative lighting effects. They are durable and easy to cut to size, fitting seamlessly into my lighting setup. The variety of colors included in the pack allows for a wide range of artistic possibilities. Number 3. Selens 20 PCS Color Gel Filter Lighting Effect Kit. Unlock a world of vibrant lighting possibilities with our comprehensive color gel filter kit. You'll receive 20 sheets, each 10 by 10 inches, perfect for creating stunning visual effects. These filters are incredibly versatile, ideal for a wide range of applications. Use them for film, video, photography, stage, theater, parties, and DJ lighting to enhance any scene. Go beyond simple effects and master color correction with these advanced filters. They allow for precise control over additive and subtractive color, enabling intricate color mixing and wavelength filtering. Crafted from high-quality transmission material, these filters offer a smooth, flat surface with stable color temperature and minimal light loss. They come with a convenient case for easy storage and portability. Please note that these gel filters should not be attached to a modeling lamp, as they may melt. The strobe light is not included with this product. What we like. This option stands out with an impressive 20 assorted colors, giving you the widest creative freedom. The included storage case is a fantastic bonus for organization and portability. If you're a professional or enthusiast who needs a vast selection of colors and values portability, this kit is ideal. What people say. The gels are very vibrant and add a beautiful color cast to my photos. They are easy to attach and remove from my lights, and they don't seem to fade over time. The variety of colors included in the pack is great, offering a lot of creative options. Number 2. Neewer 12x12 8-pack transparent color correction gel filters. Unlock a spectrum of creativity with 8 distinct colors. These filters offer a wide range of hues to bring your vision to life. Crafted from high light transmission materials, they ensure steady color temperature and minimal loss. Experience brilliant and consistent lighting effects. Perfect for achieving dynamic lighting effects and precise color correction. They are ideal for both additive and subtractive color mixing. Easily combine these filters to generate unique lighting moods. They are essential for enhancing any photo, video, or stage production. From studio strobes to LED lights, these gels are suitable for various lighting setups. Elevate your film, theater, party, and DJ lighting. Please remember not to attach these filters directly to a modeling lamp, as they may melt. Enjoy safe and effective use. What we like. This pack includes 8 sheets with a good variety of colors, notably featuring 2 distinct blue shades for nuanced effects. The larger 12 by 12 inch size is great for covering bigger light sources. If you need precise color control or are working with larger lights, this set is a practical choice. What people say. The gels are vibrant and true to color, making them perfect for creative lighting effects. Easy to cut and shape, these gels fit seamlessly into most standard lighting setups. Durable material that withstands heat without melting or discoloring, ensuring consistent performance. Number 1. 16-pack colored overlays transparency film. Discover our 16-pack of colored overlays, perfect for students and creative projects. These versatile sheets come in 8 vibrant colors to suit all your needs. Each sheet measures 7.8 by 7.8 inches, making them ideal for use as reading guidelines. They help improve clarity and reduce reading frustration for young learners. Explore a spectrum of 8 assorted colors, including trans blue, trans red, trans green, Dr. blue, trans purple, trans yellow, trans orange, and fluorescence yellow. Crafted from high light transmission material, these overlays offer a steady color temperature and minimal loss. They are lightweight yet durable for consistent performance. Utilize them for lighting effects and color correction in photography or design. They are excellent for understanding color mixing and filtering light wavelengths. These aids can significantly help children struggling with reading. They improve focus, clarity, and eye movement control, making reading a more enjoyable experience. What we like. Beyond its use for lighting, this set is highlighted for its potential as a reading aid, which is a unique benefit. The 20 by 20 cm size is compact and easy to manage. If you're a photographer who also works with educational content or needs gels for smaller applications, this offers dual functionality. What people say. The gels are a great size and fit perfectly on my speedlights. The colors are vibrant and true to what is advertised. They really add a professional look to my photos. Easy to use and durable. I've used them multiple times without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.